Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you're welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first we have to set our face. To do it, we have to click on here. Then select Nasib from here, then click on this box and type here 3.5. Then click on this box and type here 2. Then you have to click on this box and type here 300. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the face, you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here, then select shape. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this layer, then drag this layer in here. Then select this layer. Then you have to press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then right click on this. Then click on the wrap. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the move tool, then select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to select this, then double click on here. Then you have to select the red color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select all layers, then rotate these layers, then click on the tick mark. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then click on here, 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 and here, and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then click on the fill. Then select this color. Then select the move tool. Then select this. Then drag this under these layers. Then select this layers again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy again. Then you have to drag this in here. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then drag this layer in here. After that, you have to select this layer. Then you have to right click on this. Then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color. Then you have to click on the OK. After that, you have to increase the scale from here. Then click on here. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the blues again. Then you have to select this color. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the OK again. Then you have to click on here. Then select normal. Then click on here again. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to click on the OK. Then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color. Then drag this in here. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to click on the OK again. Then you have to select this. Then right click on this. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to scroll down from here. Then click on here. Then you have to select this color. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. OK. Now we have to select this. Then right click on this. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on the reverse. Then you have to click on the OK. Then you have to select all layers, then press and hold the shift key. Then you have to increase the size of this, then drag this in here. So now here you can see our logo design has been completed. Now we have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening the mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then you have to select the logo, then click on the backspace. Then you have to go to the main project. Then you have to select the logo, then drag this logo in here. Then you have to set this logo in here. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.